also want to thank those who went all the way here to the Philippines just to watch us for our last award.
Oo, malami yan. Kala nyo mukhang Pinoy lang yung mga yan. Everybody ready? On my count. 1, 2, 3, it's me. Everybody give it up for your favorite water artist! Ganito for the sake of old times, sabay-sabay tayo lahat tatalon! Kaya ba Ayala Triangle? Parang ayaw nyo Ayaw nila tumalon! Hoy! One last time for Warner Philippines! We play here! Let's take it back to the chorus, let's go! But if it's raining in Manila, you waiting in Manila, guys, ika'y babalik. Andyan lang ang mga tao, andyan lang ang mga tala. Saan man sulok ng mundo. Picturean nyo mga kami! Papa Warner! Celine, tawag ka! Yan! The final act. Thank you once again to everyone who joined us tonight and to everyone who helped make this night happen. Please post your photos and videos with the hashtag WePlayHere, the final act. Thank you to Ayala Land, Make It Makati, and Ayala Malls for hosting tonight's event at this amazing venue, Ayala Triangle Gardens. Once again, let's give it up for tonight's performers. Jan Roberts, Sugarcane, Arthur Miguel, Jason Dakal, Flip, Bilao, Player 2, Stel, and Lola Amor. This has been We Play Here, the final act. Thank you and good night, everybody.
dito sa likod.
What is up, Warner family? We play here, make some noise! Yun na yung malakas? Make some noise! Again, everyone, magandang gabi po sa Warner family na nandyan sa paligid. Andito sa harap. Mas maganda ka pa rin. And of course, yung mga present tonight, Berries, are you here? At syempre, buong buo, 18! Wow! I'm very happy to perform again as a solo artist. It's been a long time, and feels like, I don't know what to say tonight, kasi I'm used to perform with my, with my brothers, SB19, but tonight, I'm doing it solo again tonight. I'm very thankful to Warner for having me tonight. Thank you so much, Celine. I love you so much. Thank you, Celine, Nika, and of course, Kelly. Where's Kelly? Thank you so much. Hi, I love you so much. Oh, you're here. YGIJ is here. Hi. Grabe, kanina, nasa dressing room ako, and then hearing all the Warner artists, talagang sabi ko, kinakabahan ako kasi parang ako lang yung artist na magbabalad tonight. But, sabi ko nga, I feel so proud na to represent mga people who loves ballad, right? So tonight, speaking of ballad, I'll be performing one of my favorite songs from my EP. Siyempre from my EP, alam ng EP ng iba, diba? And it was written by the one and only Pablo. He's actually here tonight. Pablo is here. He's here. He's here to support Ken, Philip, and me, of course. Sobrang tagal ko ng... Ha? Yeah, he's here. Yeah. So, it's been a long time since I performed this song. Yeah, he's here, promise. Hindi ako nag-video. Ayun, it's been a long time since I performed this song, and super excited ako to perform this again for you guys. And if you know the lyrics, if you know the words, you can sing with me or sabihin nyo, okay? So the next song that I will be performing is titled Anino.